Hey there, this is Graham with Intera Real Estate. Today I'm going to give you some insider tips on finding the best realtor in Redwood City, California. I know what it's like. Finding a good realtor nowadays can feel like you're walking through a maze blindfolded. Can you help me find a house, please? I can't see a thing. You need someone that doesn't just follow the crowd like the average agent. As an example, when we're working with our buyers, we don't just rely with what's on the MLS, which is what most agents do. We actually work with our title company, pull all the properties that match your criteria, and we run direct marketing to them. Just recently, we were working with a client down in San Jose who was looking for a home within a specific school district. We worked with our title company, pulled all the properties that matched his criteria, and we ran direct advertising to them, and we found them 5 properties off market. That means they now have 5 opportunities to purchase a home that no one else has. Most agents are just out there trying to find a needle in a haystack. What I want to do is turn that haystack into needles, despite how painful that sounds. So when you're a buyer and you're looking for an agent to help you purchase a property in the area, you want to make sure you're working with someone that has local knowledge, that's looking for properties not just on the MLS. But let me give you an example. Did you know that Redwood City, actually certain areas qualify for discounts on the interest rates? You can actually get free closing costs on some of your purchases. Yeah, that's right. Just by working with someone that knows what they're doing and has worked with a lot of other buyers in the neighborhood, I've done all the upfront work for you. Narrow down what the best lenders are and what the best programs are, so that way you don't have to. What if I could tell you, just by working with me, we could get you a free credit on closing costs, just by setting you up with the right lender? That would be worth a phone call, right? By the way, if I didn't mention, if you're looking for property in the area, just click in the description below and you'll see a link where you can actually look for all the property in Redwood City currently on the market. So if you're looking for a realtor that goes the extra mile, you don't need to look any further. I'm Graeham Watson. I'm here to help you navigate that real estate maze and take off that blindfold. Oh geez, that's so much better. Let's get started on your real estate journey today.